Congresswoman Jasmine Crockett is making her case to East Texas voters in her race for U.S. Senate. She made a stop in Tyler this morning for her campaign, focusing on turnout, rural health care, and support for farmers and ranchers. CBS 19's Jamie Hazard reports.
The entire country is watching Texas, and it is because of you.
Congresswoman Jasmine Crockett says education and voter engagement are key to changing the political landscape in Texas. When asked what she would prioritize specifically for East Texas in her first days in office,
I know how important, number one, healthcare is. Right now, we know that our rural hospitals are shuttering at an alarming rate. I believe that healthcare should be accessible to all. So, number one, we have to increase access as it relates to telehealth.
She says reimbursement changes following the pandemic have made telehealth harder to sustain and warns that where you live should not determine your life expectancy. Crockett also highlighted struggles facing East Texas farmers and ranchers, noting rising bankruptcies and delays in passing a federal farm bill.
In addition to that, as someone who served on the Agriculture Committee, I can tell you that our farmers and ranchers right now, they're really struggling, and it impacts everyone knowing that their inputs have gone up. These are things that impact the entirety of the region because it is such a big part of the region.
Supporters at the rally said her message was resonating. Ray Ingram, who owns a restaurant in Kilgore, says he's motivated by rising costs and wants to see economic change in the community.
We need to get this ground beef down to $1.99. I want lower prices, and I want to see a change in the community. Let's go. And if you don't go, it's going to stay the same. We need a change. You know we need a change. Half of y'all know we need a change.
Students from Texas College also attended the rally, saying education protection is a top priority for them this election.
My grandmother was born in 1924, and she wasn't able to vote originally, and so on behalf of her, in her memory, I had to make sure I got my vote out.
Supporters say Crockett's message is what brought many of them out to the rally in Tyler. It's about more than party politics.
Texas has historically been one of the lowest voter turnout states in the entire country. If we can start to turn out people in higher numbers, we can actually outvote the Republicans.
For CBS 19, I'm Jamie Hazard.
Crockett faces James Talarico and Ahmad Hassan in the Democratic primary. After leaving Tyler, Crockett continues a statewide campaign tour focused on increasing turnout ahead of Election Day on Tuesday.